Imagine this. You meet a girl, and everything seems great. You talk, you laugh, and maybe even spend some quality time together. But as soon as you're not around, she barely texts, doesn't seem excited, and you feel like you're the only one putting in the effort. Sound familiar? Well, what if I told you that there's a way to make her miss you so much that she can't stop thinking about you? Even if she wasn't that interested at first, that's exactly what we're going to dive into today. And the best part? It's all based on the principles of Stoicism, timeless wisdom that will shift the way you handle attraction and relationships forever. So, if you're ready to unlock this secret, stay with me until the end, because by the time you're done watching, you'll have the tools to make any girl miss you terribly. Let's get started. 1. Create scarcity through self-control. One of the biggest mistakes guys make when they like a girl is over-investing their time and energy too soon. They text too often, always say yes, and make themselves too available. The problem? People don't value what's always accessible. Imagine if diamonds were as common as pebbles. Would they still be special? Probably not. The same principle applies here. This is where Stoicism comes in. A Stoic man exercises self-control. Instead of bombarding her with attention, he practices restraint. He lets communication be natural, not forced. He doesn't chase, he allows space. This scarcity makes her start to wonder about him. What is he up to? Why isn't he constantly trying to get her attention? That mystery is what sparks curiosity and attraction. But here's the key. It's not about playing games. It's about genuinely having a life that excites you. Focus on your goals, passions, and purpose. When you do that, you automatically become less available, and she'll start to crave your presence. 2. The power of detachment. Most men make the mistake of becoming too emotionally attached too soon. They check their phones obsessively, waiting for her reply. They let their mood depend on whether she texts back or not. This is not the way of the Stoic. Stoicism teaches detachment. A Stoic man does not tie his happiness to external circumstances, including whether a girl gives him attention or not. Instead, he remains centered. When you master this mindset, something interesting happens. She starts to notice. Women are naturally drawn to men who don't seem desperate for their approval. There's something intriguing about a man who can enjoy a woman's presence, but doesn't need it to feel fulfilled. So, stop waiting by the phone, stop overanalyzing her messages, live your life with or without her attention, and paradoxically, that's when she'll start giving it more freely. 3. Mystery creates attraction. People desire what they don't fully understand. The less predictable you are, the more interesting you become. If she already knows everything about you, what you're doing, who you're with, how you feel about her, then where's the excitement? Mystery is the fuel of attraction. The Stoic man understands this. He doesn't reveal everything all at once. He doesn't feel the need to constantly explain himself or update her on every little detail of his life. Instead, he lets her wonder. That wondering turns into thinking, and before she knows it, she misses him. You don't have to be secretive. Just stop oversharing. Let her ask questions. Let her discover new things about you over time. When there's always more to learn, she'll stay interested longer. 4. Invest in yourself, not just her. Many men put their personal growth on hold when they start liking a girl. They stop hitting the gym, neglect their hobbies, and rearrange their entire schedule just to be available. This is the fastest way to lose her interest. A Stoic man does the opposite. He invests in himself first. His fitness, finances, mental strength, and passions take priority. Why? because he understands that a high-value man naturally attracts attention. When you're constantly improving, you become a man she doesn't just want, you become a man she admires. Think about it. If she sees you growing, achieving, and becoming better every day, she'll start to wonder what's keeping you so engaged. And more importantly, she'll want to be a part of that world. 5. Control your emotions. Don't react. One of the biggest mistakes guys make is reacting emotionally when a girl pulls away. They send long messages, demand explanations, or get upset. This only pushes her further away. A Stoic man remains composed. He doesn't let external events shake his internal peace. If she pulls back, he doesn't chase, he mirrors. If she's distant, he gives space. He understands that emotional control is power. When she sees that he doesn't crumble under pressure, she respects him more. And respect is the foundation of attraction. So next time you feel the urge to react emotionally, pause. Take a deep breath. Ask yourself, what would a Stoic do? When you master your emotions, you master attraction. Conclusion: become unforgivable. Attraction isn't about chasing. It's about positioning yourself as a man worth missing. A man who is scarce, detached, mysterious, invested in himself, and emotionally composed is a man who lingers in a woman's mind long after he's gone. This is the power of Stoicism in relationships. So, if you truly want to make any girl miss you terribly, even if she wasn't interested at first, start by becoming the kind of man she can't ignore. And remember, it's not about tricks or manipulation. It's about genuinely elevating yourself to a level where your absence is felt as deeply as your presence. If you found this valuable, make sure to like, subscribe, and drop a comment below. What's the biggest mistake you've made in attracting women? Let's talk about it. Until next time, stay strong, stay stoic, and keep leveling up.